If you want to see how I achieved this look on my short TWA hair, stay tuned and keep watching. Today's video is brought to you by BetterLength Hair. BetterLength is specialized in making textured clip-ins for us curly girlies to add a little, or in my case, a lot of spice to our natural look. Today, I will be working with their 3B, 3C Kinky curly hair in the length 14 inches. And of course, not only do you guys get this how-to tutorial, but you also get the $5 off any double wefted clip-ins by using my promo code SHEIN1014 in the description box below. Now, let's get into this tutorial. So, of course, before any and everything, I wash my hair. I wash it just to ensure that I get the actual true texture of the wetness, and also because who doesn't like smelling good hair? One thing I can say, this hair did not come smelling nasty, but you know, you always want to put a little extra umph in it. But yeah, I can honestly say this hair washed really, really well. And I got little to no shedding. Now, to make it easier to wash, I definitely kept it together, but in order for it to dry correctly and efficiently, I made sure that I separated the wefts, and I put some tracks on each other, but not all of them. So some of the clip-ins were doubled up, but for the most part, it had breathing room. So that's what I made sure I did. And I just let it dry overnight, you know, just a little something, because air dry hair is always the best. Now for proper care for my hair. Of course, you want to make sure that your hair is braided down nicely. I braided mine because since my hair is short, it just makes it way easier to ensure that I don't have to blend so much. So make sure you braid it down. If you can't braid it down, ask somebody else to braid it down. But this definitely helped me out, and I made sure my scalp was oiled because why not? Gotta make sure that scalp is oiled. You take care of your hair first before you put any type of hair or add-ons on. Now for the fun part, installation. So is that even the correct, whatever. This part is different for everybody because, of course, you might have a pea-sized head like me, or your head might be a little more airhead and bigger. I'm just like, nah. But everybody's head size is different. So just make sure that you put the clips where you feel it fits rather than just what you see. That's one thing I can say, because trying to follow along with tutorials and actually put the clips exactly where they put it is not going to help you unless you and that person have the same exact hair size. But one thing I can say, this one bundle will cover up your whole head. Trust me when I say that. They already insured that, but you know, sometimes people be, you know, not telling the whole truth. But no, this for real covers up the whole head. So let's keep watching.
Don't touch my hair. When it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch my soul. When it's the rhythm I know. Don't touch my crown. They see the vision I found. Don't touch what's there. They don't understand what it means to me, what we chose to do, what we meant to do. They don't understand what it means to me, what we chose to do, what we meant to do. You know this here is my shit, all right, take the time, but this here is mine. You know this here is my shit.
Like I said, what they gave you was more than enough. I had 2 left over and it was already full. But of course, you know, I had to put that in. So I just made it even more fuller than what it already was, in my opinion. Just, you know, covering up some of the spots that I felt I left empty. But no, you guys, It speaks for itself. Like, look at the hair. Look at it. Look at it. But yeah, after I pull those gaps, of course, you guys see the braided patterns that I didn't cover. That was my leave out. I forgot to tell you guys in the beginning. Definitely left some out. So now you guys are about to see me work that in. I left out the middle and also both of my sides. So I had some to cover up, you know, the part as well as the foundation. Now here's to the tedious part. So you guys, it definitely took some time, but not that much time as you think. You just can't get frustrated, especially if you have short hair like I do, because you really have to blend. You don't want to be out here looking like you just put some tracks in. You want this to look as natural as possible, and the fact that BetterLength provides us with natural textured add-ons, like, why not use that, you know? So I definitely just had to keep going in with my products as well as a lot of gel, but it still wasn't crinkly or nasty. It literally gave me enough protection to blend, but not enough to make it, like, you know, that crunchy feeling. Yeah, my hair wasn't feeling crunchy after. So definitely use everything that I'm using if you have similar texture hair as me, because I definitely did this, okay? I did this. It don't look like much now, but just watch the process. This is one of those wait until the end to see if the process worked type thing. Yeah, but let's just get into it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe and keep watching, because you guys, I did the thing. I went from freaking what? I don't even know how many inches of hair I have, like 2 inches to freaking 14. I probably don't even have 2 inches. I don't know, but I did it, okay? Thank you guys.
These inches down my back. Usually don't let people touch it, but tonight you'll get a pass. Spend my dimes and spend my time to keep it real. Sometimes it's tracks, but I don't care. So run your hands through my hair, baby, 'cause that's what it's for. Come run your hands through my hair. not the skin. I am the soul that lives within. What's the story? I don't know, the crazy. I like it. I might do that. I wouldn't know that. Good hair means curls and waves. Bad hair means you look like a slave. At the turn of the century, it's time for us to redefine who we be. You can shave it off like a South African beauty. Got it on lock like Bob Marley. You can rock it straight like Oprah Winfrey. It's not what's on your head, it's what's underneath. And say, hey, I am not my hair. I am not this skin. I am not your expectations, no. I am not my hair. I am not this skin. I am the soul that lives within. Singing out to the whole wide world like 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 yo, if I wanna shade it close, so I wanna rock locks that take a bit away from this soul that I got. If I wanna wear it braided all down my back, I don't see nothing wrong with that. I am not my hair, I am not this skin, I am the soul that lives within. I am not my hair, I am not this skin, I am the soul that lives within. Does the way I wear my hair make me a better person? Does the way I wear my hair make me a better friend? Oh, does the way I wear my hair determine my integrity? I am expressing my creativity. Breast cancer and chemotherapy.
Yes. I went from short hair to long hair. Who's this? It looks like it's mine. Yeah, definitely check the promo code for $5 off because yes, your girl looks good. But okay, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and definitely come back because I will be styling this hair and doing so much more. So yeah, stay tuned.